Hi, my name is Pauline Johnson. I'm the Corporate Trainer at Standard Office Systems. Today I'd like to show you how quick and simple it is to change out your toner waste bottle on a sharp copier. Once your copier panel indicates it's time to replace your toner waste bottle, the location for your toner waste bottle is from the front of the copier. Pull the door outward, then downward. This unit is your toner waste bottle. Located on either side of your toner waste bottle are two green levers. Press inward simultaneously both levers, and that will release the toner waste bottle. Grab a hold of the new toner waste bottle. You're going to insert the legs downward and then press inward. Close the front panel. You have just successfully replaced your toner waste bottle. Well, thank you for watching our video. If you found the information useful, please hit subscribe. And remember, regardless of your office technology needs, SOS can help.